Hello and welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are discussing the Delhi University MA Economics paper. The first question talks about a function fx defined as x square plus x plus 2 over x square plus x plus 1, and we are asked to find the range of this function. Now, in order to find the range of this function, we have to find the maximum value and the minimum value of fx. And in order to do that, we have to take the first differential and equate it to 0. So before we do that, let us simplify the given function. Fx is given as x square plus x plus 2 by x square plus x plus 1. This can be written as x square plus x plus 1 plus 1 over x square plus x plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1 over x square plus x plus 1. Now, if we take the first differential of this function, f dash x will be equal to minus of 2x plus 1 over x square plus x plus 1 whole square. And in order to have the maxima or minimum of the function, f dash x should be equal to 0. So therefore, we have two possibilities. One is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus half, or 2, 1 over x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to infinity. So these are the two possible limits of this function. Now, if we just put the values of x equal to minus half and x equal to infinity in the original function fx, which is this, then fx will be fx at x equal to minus half, which is f of minus half, will be equal to 1 plus 1 by 1/4 minus half plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1/4 plus 1 means 1 and 1/4 minus half is 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 plus 4 by 3, or this can be written as 7 by 3. Now, if we look at the options, we can clearly see that option 3 is the only option which has 7 by 3 as one of the limits. And in order to confirm that, we also put the other value, which is x equal to infinity, in the function itself. So fx at x equal to infinity will be equal to 1 plus 1 over infinity, which is equal to 1 plus 0, that is 1. So clearly option 3, which is giving the limits as 1 and 7 by 3, is the correct choice. The next question talks about a function defined by fx equal to x cube minus x square minus x minus 1, and we are asked to find the maximum value of this function within the range defined by the set that is given. So first, let us find the range that the set is talking about. So it is saying x square minus x minus 2 is less than equal to 0. This means x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is less than equal to 0, or x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 is less than equal to 0, or x plus 1 into x minus 2 is less than equal to 0. So which means that the product of two numbers is negative. This can only happen when one number is negative and the other is positive. So that means x plus 1 is less than 0 or x less than equal to minus 1 and x minus 2 greater than equal to 0 or x greater than equal to 2. This cannot happen simultaneously. So therefore x plus 1 should be greater than equal to 0 and x minus 2 should be less than equal to 0 or x greater than equal to minus 1 and x less than equal to 2. So this is the range within which x should lie. So x lies between minus 1 and plus 2. So now we have to see the nature of the curve. So the nature of the curve will be like this. Now if we do the first differential of this function, we will get f dashed x is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1, and for the function to be maxima or minima, this should be equal to 0. So that means 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x into x minus 1 plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 1 or minus 1 by 3. So the function would be maxima and minima at these 2 points, but remember this is a local maxima and minima. This is a local maxima and local minima. From the nature of the curve, it is very clear that this will be a local maxima and a local minima. So at x equal to 1, the curve will be like this, and at x equal to minus 3, so the curve will be little like this, not exactly like that. So x equal to minus 1/3 will be where the curve will be at a local maxima, and x equal to 1 is where the curve will be at a local minima. And after this, the curve will be increasing monotonously. So since we are talking about the range of minus 1 to 2, so therefore x can take a value which is greater than plus 1. So any value above plus 1 will be giving an increasing value of the function. So if we put x equal to 2 in this function, we will get fx or f2 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1, which is 8 minus 7 or 1. So you notice that at minus 1/3, the value of the function will be negative. F of minus 1/3 will be negative because this will be minus 1 by 27 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So this will be a negative function, and f of 1 would be 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. So the value of fx at x equal to 1 is minus 2, and at x equal to 2, this value is 1 at x equal to 2. So therefore the maximum value of the function within this range is when x is equal to 2. So option 1, which says x equal to 2, is a correct choice.